What's up, everybody? I was going to take a day off from trading after that disaster that happened the other day, but I decided to come in and trade anyway, and I'm really glad that I did. I only stayed on the live stream for about 45 minutes, but I was able to get a nice winning trade in for a nice true reward gain for the day. There was a ton of movement last night. That's pretty common. When it rains, it pours, as they say. It's always important to remember the pair correlations, especially on days where everything is moving. The majors are all going to be moving in the same direction. All the backside USD pairs like the GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD will typically move similarly. And then the front side USD pairs like the USD CAD will go in the opposite direction, or whichever direction the US dollar is going in. And also the yen pairs will typically move in the same direction. Then the GBP and Euro cross pairs like the GBP AUD and Euro AUD will move the same as well. They're almost the same pair. I say all that to say, even though there's a bunch of movement happening, you don't want to be taking multiple trades on pairs from the same group. If you take a trade on both the GBP USD and the Euro USD, it's very likely that both of those trades will either be winners or they'll both fail, since those two pairs are doing the same thing. I've made yet another rule in my trading plan to only take one trade on a group of correlated pairs unless I purposely wanted to go for a double down trade on those. So again, I only took one trade last night, so let's go ahead and take a look at that one and some other good trades that I spotted from last night's session. Okay, so the one trade that I took last night was this one right here. This was on the GBP USD, and this was like right at the start of the session. It was a huge move down. Even on the hourly chart, huge move down. We got like a double top. We got big engulfing bar here. This is all indicating that the pair is going to come down. And then you had the dollar. So this is what the dollar ended up doing at the beginning of the session. It broke through this very heavy level here. So I had a feeling that it wasn't just going to break through the level and keep on going. I had a feeling it would pull back a little bit, and that's exactly what happened. But this was at a time where, let's see, the Euro GBP was coming down, but as you can see on the hour chart here, it's hitting a very heavy level over and over. So I had a feeling that it would go up. It just wasn't ready. I could have done maybe a buy stop on there, but anyways, all that contributed to my trade going through over there. But I actually could have went for 3, I believe. 6, 12, 18. Yep. Okay, so I should have went for 3, but I just went for the 2 there. And then there was another trade. There wasn't really anything I could do with a sell stop. I knew it was going to come down once that dollar got done pulling back and then continuing to go up. I knew that the dollar wasn't going to come back down from here, at least. So this little pullback area here was another area where you could have went for like a long trade. So any of the dollar pairs, GU, EU, AU, NZDU, any of those would have worked. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I didn't see much else. The AUD NZD is still kind of like chopping around. This pair typically doesn't move like this, so it's behaving a little strangely for sure. And yeah, all the other major pairs did the same thing. So Euro USD, you could have did it there, same trade there. Assuming here too, didn't even look, but yep, same thing there. These ones are actually even better. So I took my trade I took my trade like right at the beginning of the session, so that's right here. So if you were going to be on the safe side, you would put it above the 21 EMA. It would be like a 20 pip stop loss. Let's see if it goes 60. Probably not 60, at least 40 though. You could have at least gotten 2 reward there. You could have done it that way. There's a bunch of different ways to trade that same exact move. I just went with the GU because I thought that the EGBP would be going up, so it pushed the trade down even faster. And yeah, that was pretty much it for last night's session. I wasn't on for very long, so I just wanted a nice solid trade and I got it. Those were the solid trades there. Like I said, I was kind of mentally drained, honestly, so I decided to just go for one trade. So a nice 2 reward gain for the day. I'm not mad at that at all. Once again, I'll be doing this $50,000 FTMO challenge live. I am back in good spirits. I'm embracing my new healthy lifestyle. Instead of all the slightly destructive behaviors, I'll be going to the gym more often. I've started a steam room and sauna routine. I'm eating a little bit healthier. I'm not ever going to go on like a diet because I like donuts and pizza and stuff like that. But I'm definitely eating more veggies these days. I was talking with another trader that I know, and he was saying that his mentor told him that physical health, mental health, not having a bunch of vices, all of this is tied in with being able to have a successful trading career. And I fully agree with that. I'm down to just one vice now out of the 4 that I was working on getting rid of, and it's probably oversharing to even talk about it, so I won't. But I'll say getting rid of the vape, I'm very shocked I was able to do it, first of all. But that was one of the best things I've ever done for myself. A little 3-inch vape pen should not be having that much control over my life, and that is really just crazy that it even was like that in the first place. So I'll be back on tonight at 11:30 Pacific as usual for the London session. I'm going to take it easy again for tonight's session for sure. I'll probably just go for 1 or 2 trades. And then for Monday's session, I'll be back on with a fresh account. So I am 100% ready to go this time. I know that whole thing was a little bit out there, but it's all good now. So I will see you guys then. And remember to always trade responsibly. I'll see you guys later.